Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to upload video in the blog. To upload video in the blog you must have a blog. I know many of you have, but if you don't have, you can create one. It's a nice form to interact and share things. You can either do it, you can upload from the YouTube, or if you have your own video, you can do it from your hard drives. It could be phone, computer, or hard drives. So first of all, let's see the location of the video. Okay, this is the one, this video, how to create Google account. This is the video that I want to upload. So let's go back to the blog, open the blog, and you can see the dialog box, new post. You can click on there. It will take you to this particular box. You have two dialog box, HTML and compose, and also you have the video. So you will have these two options. You can upload it either from YouTube or the YouTube video that you have in YouTube, or you can upload from the computer. Okay. uh, yes, this is the one that I want to upload the video. You once you upload the video, you'll see this. Now it's always important to review before you upload it. So see here, when I preview the video, it seems quite small, so I'll go back to HTML and resize my video, width and height. First of all, I will increase my width to 700 and height to 400. Now let's preview. Now see, you can see the differences here. Now the video is in the right size, with good resolutions. So now, title of the post, how to upload, how to create Google account. Mm, now before we post, you have to make sure that you have title of the post and it's in right size. So now I'm posting. Now I'm posting here. This is the one, how to create a Google account. This is our new post. So let's preview once. This is how it should look once you've done uploading. Let's try once playing. Yeah, this is it, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. And if you like it, if you like the post, do share and comment.